Hello all my friends, wherever you are, and a very good morning to you all. Well, it was a good morning. This morning, when I woke up, the sun was bright and shining, the sky was blue, and it looked like going to be a great day ahead. And then suddenly, we have these dark clouds coming over, and it became gloomy like this, and the winds begin to pick up, and you have a feeling that it's going to have a rain in a short while. Down here in Penang, the weather is always like this. Sometimes we have bright sunshine for a while, and suddenly feels like it's gonna rain, and we are quite used to it. Down here in this next scene, you can see people are holding up a rain umbrella moving around, and those people who are going out on a motorbike, they have put on their raincoat and be ready, because the rain may suddenly come, when you're riding the bike on the road, and then there's nowhere to stop for you to put on your raincoat. So these people are all getting ready in case it rains. Well, the rains came, but not as heavily as what was expected, and it just rained a little bit and then it stopped. And this next scene is you can see here people are lining up here to pick up goodies that's being distributed to the ones who needed food facilities. This is going out to people of all races. You can see Indian people receiving the gifts, Chinese people receiving the gifts, and Muslim people receiving the gifts. This is all given out to the people who need them, free of charge. So as always, if you enjoy this video, please give me a like and leave a comment below. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified. Once again, thank you for watching.